You are listening to a news item by Herald Goa dated 10th of December 2024. The title is High Court vows to step in and appoint panel if Pollution Control Board cannot enforce sound restrictions. The article is by Augusto Rodriguez. During court proceedings, Goa Pollution Board advocate Manish Salkar replied, "We have sealed Salud and House of Shapora is now allowed to operate after they have informed us that they will be playing music indoors." "Why have no FIRs been filed?" asked Justice Karnik when Salkar stated that the parties have yet to reply to the notices issued to them. "How many units have been issued notices?" he inquired, and Salkar responded, "Two should reply by today." "How many cases that have been reported have been stopped?" inquired a bewildered judge, to which Salkar had no response. "Every breach is not a breach. The average decibel is required to determine whether a unit broke decibel limits," Advocate General tried to explain to Justice Karnik and Justice Nivedita P. Mehta. Show cause notices have been issued to 6 units asking them why their licenses should not be revoked, and 2 have replied. "The other 4 have yet to get back to us," explained Salkar, as Justice Karnik sought positive responses. "Which are the 6 places you have given show cause notices to, and have the live sound monitoring systems been installed by the 5 units asked to do so?" Justice Karnik wanted to know. "Some have and some have not," answered Salkar, to the puzzlement of the judge. The High Court was informed that the show cause notice has been issued to Dias and Noah. "Our club is situated on the main road and we take the acoustic indoors after 10 p.m., argued the advocate for Dias. "We do not play music after 10 p.m. I am not a nightclub. I am a restaurant and not a disco or nightclub. We close our business by 11, disclosed counsel for Noah, situated in Ozrant in Vagator, and is one of the places that has been ordered to install a live monitoring system. It is shocking that Goa Pollution Board has not given me copies of their affidavit submitted to court during the last hearing, and nor have I been given the document presented to the court today," said petitioner Desmond Alvarez. The police have lodged an FIR against a unit that is not even heard of making noise in Anjuna. They seem to be going after the small fry to mislead the court, and the Goa Pollution Board is trying to use delaying tactics by issuing notices when it is evident that all units are flouting rules, alleged Alvarez. That the police decided to book Singra Tapas and music instead of Hilltop, against whom I have made numerous complaints, shows the seriousness of the government, said Desmond D'Souza, resident of Bagator. When Justice Karnik asked Goa Pollution Board advocate whether Hilltop and Salud were impeded, the advocate replied, "Salud has been sealed."